In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start a voice call on Discord. Whether you're catching up with one friend or chatting with a small group, the process is quick and straightforward. First, open Discord and head to the direct message where you want to talk. You can get there from your Friends tab, from your recent conversations in the sidebar, or by using the search bar to pull up the person or group. If it's a group DM, it'll look like a regular chat with multiple avatars at the top, and everyone in that conversation will be able to join the call you start. Once you're in the right conversation, look toward the top of the chat window for the phone icon. On desktop, it sits near the upper right corner. On mobile, you'll see the same icon near the top of the screen. Click or tap that phone to start a voice call. The app will begin ringing the other person or the members of the group. This is a voice-only call, so your camera won't turn on unless you start a video call instead. Now, wait for your friend or friends to answer. You'll know you're connected when the ringing stops, and the call overlay appears with a timer. In a group DM, people can join as they see the call in the chat, so participants may pop in one by one. As soon as you're in, you can speak normally and be heard. If you need a moment of silence, there's a microphone mute control available during the call, and you can also adjust your own volume for comfort. When you're finished, ending the call is just as simple. Click the End Call button. It's the red phone icon, and Discord will immediately hang up. You'll return to the same DM or group DM, and your chat history stays right there, so you can follow up with a message if needed, or start another call later. A couple of quick tips before we wrap up. A headset can reduce background noise and make your voice clearer for everyone. If someone doesn't pick up, leaving a short text in the chat helps them know what the call was about. And in group DMs, consider giving a quick heads-up message if you don't want to ring everyone unexpectedly. That's all there is to it. You now know how to start a voice call on Discord, wait for others to join, and end the call when you're done. Happy chatting.